G'day scrappers! Yay, we're out street scrapping! And first time for a long time, and here we go. We got our first complimentary modem. That's a good start. Yeah, I'm certainly out of practice, so yeah, this will be interesting. I won't take the blower. I don't really want Irony Alley, but yeah, we'll just first day at it, and I feel a bit of like a duck out of water here. It's been so long since I've gone around and had a little look. Well, admittedly, there hasn't been much street scrapping until now because it's winter time. So yeah, this is one of the few areas left where they actually do this as a combined thing rather than, well, now most areas are booked pickups. So yeah, I'll just have a bit of fun out here, stretch the legs. We'll go and have a look what's further, yeah, and see how we go. So yeah, I've had a lot of people asking, oh, when are you going street scrapping, you know, street scrapping. And okay, oh, there's another modem. Well, how's that? 2 in a row. Yeah, so now that I'm street scrapping, now I'm going to have to deal with all the people saying, oh, you should have picked up that, and I would have taken that, and you could have sold that, and how's that? You know, if I was a kid, I would have loved to take something like this home. It's ripped apart, but still better than nothing. Can't take everything, unfortunately. Oh well, extruded alley. We'll take that. Well, the cords are already being cut, so the scrappers are around, that's for sure. Cord cutters, they're all here. Okay, working. Oh gosh, who would take that dirty old thing? Doesn't look like anyone wants modems. That's 3 in a row. Oh well. It might just be a day of modems today. No PCs, no scrap metal, just modems. Wooden bike. Yeah, there's quite a few scrappers already around, so nothing unusual, I suppose. I can't believe it. Number 4 modem in a row. Cisco. Hey, another one, number 5. Well, that's certainly never happened before. And that's all right. Store compact discs, cutlery. Good knife to keep in the van. What do we got here? Look like some kind of consoles. Might get a circuit board out of them. Nothing over there. Looks like parts of a PC someone's already scrapped out. All right, move up. I don't believe it. Is this some kind of joke? Obviously, someone's not interested in modems. They're taking cords. So even these commander phones can be all right. Full of circuit boards. But they're definitely taking all the cords. But I can't believe how many modems in a row. What was that, about 7? Some cord. Yeah, that's incredible. Just stopped at 7-Eleven for a free, well, not a free, for a coffee. Let's get back to it. $2 coffee. Nice big one. I make them special. I put a couple of extra shots in there. All right, let's get serious. Modem. This is crazy. I can't believe how many modems in a row. No sign of any PCs. The guy that's picking up PCs, he's probably thinking, oh, for every PC I pick up, I'm going to throw a modem down and see if eWaste Ben picks them up. I don't mind, something to play with. Scrap. All right. Oh, what the heck? Better than nothing. There's not a scrapper in the truck. Hey man! That's just insane. Can't believe how many modems. Oh, what's that? Is it a DVD? No, it's just a... Oh. I'll take it. Good old lawnmower. Another modem. Look at that. I got one section just for modems. Just have a little looky around. Never know what can be hidden. No, I don't want the fan. I'm not a big fan of fans today. Oh dear. Got a nice Mac?
Nah. Cracked.
But you missed the cord.
Oh well.
That's the most important thing. You want it?
If you don't want it.
If you're going to try and rip...
I was about to drop it off. Okay, it's got a crack, but it is missing. It's
a nice one,
but it's a good one.
Yeah. Well, maybe you can use it for parts for the next one, you know?
I'll see what happens. Or just aluminium.
Oh, yeah. You want the DVD or not?
No.
What about this? Silver?
Silver plated.
You reckon? No good?
Nah.
You want the phone?
Nah, I think I've got my limit now.
Alright.
I've seen it before and I go, I might as well come back and get it.
Yeah, why not? Yeah.
You never know.
Yeah, that's it.
Look, I'll have some fun with it.
That's it. That's
all I want to do.
That's all it's about, mate.
I think around it.
You got to get a bigger box, though. Yeah, oh, that's true too. Well, I got a DVD, the phone. Yeah, I noticed the Mac when I pulled over, but as I was looking at this pile, the guy on the push bike rocked up and picked it up, but I noticed that he missed the cord for the Mac, and Macs have got a completely different cord, so I thought, oh well, I might as well give him that too. Oh well, no PC but a DVD. Might as well. This is nice compact scrap steel, not getting much else, so just a little bit of steel for the pile. And a cord for my troubles, because you can back it in that the cord cutters are going to come, the professional ones, so that's one that I get back. But I tell you what, every time I come out here, there's more and more scrappers. There's one there, picking up old stoves. Yeah, the scrappers are everywhere. Because there's less and less areas to scrap from, they're just, they're all congregating in single areas. Yay! We've got another modem. That's a strange one. Okay, so this looks like a fresh pile. So, get a bit of cord. Yeah. Not a great deal, but still, we're having fun. That's the main thing. I see another DVD. Cool. And a bit of scrap steel. Yeah, it seems scrappers are picking things dry. Oh. There's a modem. Yay! And another one, yay! And another. Or whatever that was. Nice slot card. Oh yeah. Hard drive. I'll just take this whole box. Might take this chunk of steel as well, since I'm here. All right. Yeah, not a great deal out here today. Maybe tomorrow. That's all right. Just can't get over how many modems compared to everything else. No doubt the PC collectors are taking all the PCs and I'm just not catching any. Oh, look at all that cord food. Since it's all in the bag. Cord. DVD and a whole bunch of cords. I'll take it. Why not? These angles come in handy. Set up some shelving or something. Yeah. It's a leafy street. Looks like autumn. Yeah, these are good for things. Huh. That's unbelievable that there's still a vacuum cleaner for cord around here. Well, got to get some value, so cords are pretty good. What's in this box? Nothing? I'll take the stand, a bit of scrap steel. Here's some cords. Hey, a modem! Yay! I'm the king of modems today. Oh well, half of a PC. Well, at least we've got the motherboard and CPU, and that's it. Oh well, that's about as good as it's going to get today, I think, for PCs anyway. Oh, check out that Merc. V8 bi-turbo, twin turbo. Wow, that looks fast. It'll be an awesome scrapping car. Imagine going around in that. Twin turbo. I don't want fans. Okay, keep moving. Oh, 5 litre GT. It's nice. Hey, a modem. I can't believe it. What's that? Something? What's this? I'll take it. Scrap metal. Mustang, is it? Five litre. Wow. The front looks mean. Maybe I should knock on the door and ask if he wants to swap. He can take my van. All this. Oh. It's an aluminium frame. Doesn't weigh much at all, but still, there's $1. Scrapped our PC by the looks of it. Yeah, fully scrapped. Well, what do? If you get beaten to it, that's the luck of the draw. Looks like it might start raining once I start heading back anyway. Hey, looks like, yep, it's a kind of a modem, it sure is. What else we got here? Nothing? DVD. Da, da, da. Oh. Oh. Hey. Modem. Another modem. Toba. Don't know what it's off, but we'll get some scrap steel. Doesn't look like anything here. Okay. I'll just have another look here. It's just flyers. Cool. Alright guys, well, that's enough for today, I think. Got a lot of people washing their cars today. Yeah, I think I did okay, you know. I only got half a PC, so obviously I missed the boat there, but yeah, I might go and give it another go tomorrow. We'll see how we go. And also got to finish up on the scrap mission, day 7. So look out for that video. It might not be for a few more days yet, but yeah, it's been okay. That was a bit of fun first up, and yeah, hopefully it gets better next time I go out there.
Turn left onto Nicholson Street.
I really had no idea what I was going to be looking for or picking up. I couldn't get over the modems. As soon as I picked up the first one, it just went on and on and on. Yeah, but anyway,
Nicholson Street for 1.5
so I'll just head home and unload the van, count up my modems and call it a day. Okay, so I'm back anyway. And oh well, you know, it wasn't the biggest street scrap pickup in the world, but hey, first day out, and oh yeah, it wasn't too bad. I just before I finish up the video, I just wanted to see how many modems I got, simply because today just happened to be a really strange modem day. So I'm just going to unload some of this, get all the modems out and put them out on the table and see, yeah, just see how many there were. Can't get over how light these bicycle frames are. I mean, it's aluminium, I understand, but that doesn't weigh anything. Like, barely 2 pounds. All right, I'll just take all these modems in the back and we'll check them out anyway. Okay, so counted them out. There's 19 modems. From these square boxy ones to the taller ones, smaller ones, all kinds. A bit of a vintage kind of one. That's unbelievable to get 19 modems in one pickup, and you saw how small the load was. Usually, like I've filled up the van completely and not gotten 19 modems. It was a really strange day, and so obviously someone doesn't want modems. Bugger all in the form of PCs, except for that one PC that just had a motherboard in there. So I missed the boat on all the PCs, I'm sure, but maybe we'll go out tomorrow and before the truck comes, and we'll have another go at it. Maybe people will start putting stuff out tonight and tomorrow morning. All right, well, hope that was a bit of fun for you guys. Just as I said at the start, I was just blowing out a few cobwebs for the season of street scrapping, and yeah, hopefully it gets better from here on. And yeah, so yeah, we'll see how we go. Anyway guys, keep scrapping, have fun, and I'll catch you soon.